Hi, this is Jason, Chief Technical Analyst with ToroAlerts, and today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite trading indicators, the ADX indicator, which stands for Average Directional Index. It's made up of three different lines. One of them is the DI positive, one of them is the DI negative, and the other is the ADX line. The DI positive is represented in green on the chart, and anytime that's above the DI negative, that's telling us that buyers are in control. And anytime the DI negative line is above the DI positive line, it's telling us sellers are in control. And then the ADX line, and represented in white on the chart, is telling us the strength of that trend. And so anytime the ADX line is below the 25 level, which is represented in dashes on that chart, it's telling us that it's a weak trend. And so while there may be buyers or sellers in control, it's not a strong trend, and so it's easy for those potential trade setups to fail quickly because it's not a real strong trend. And so anytime I'm looking at the ADX, I like to find, if I'm looking for a long opportunity, I like to see that DI positive above the DI negative line, but I also want to see that ADX line above the 25 level, which gives me a lot stronger indicator that we've got a strong trend that's something that will hopefully hold up and give us an actual opportunity to trade to the upside and follow that momentum. Another thing I've noticed with the ADX line is typically when we do see that DI positive cross the DI negative, it typically coincides with price action crossing above the 21-day EMA exponential moving average, which is another indicator that I like to trade off of quite a bit. And so it's a very useful tool to use. It's really simple for even new traders to understand. Green's above red, we're positive, we're going long. If there's good momentum behind it, and the red line is above the green, it's sellers are control, and unless you're going short, it's best to stay away from those stocks. So really good indicator to include to your trading profile and use to make better trading decisions. Tune in next time. We'll throw out some more of my favorite indicators. And make sure to download the ToroAlerts app on the App Store. We've got one for stocks and one for crypto. See you next time.